हो गया ऐसा।
So today we have with us the new Moto One Power smartphone. It is another new entrant in the 15 to 20k price segment of phones in India. So that simply means that this phone will be competing against the likes of Redmi Note 5 Pro, Mi A2, Asus Zenfone Max Pro 1, and the Nokia 6.1 Plus. So as you can see, Motorola has gone with a completely new design this time on the smartphone. This is a totally new series from the company this time. So you can see it doesn't look anywhere closer. Let me just get this in focus first. Yeah, so it doesn't look anywhere close to what we have seen on the Moto G phones, Moto X phones, or Moto Z series of phones. There's no support for mod, or there's no circular camera dial on the back. It gets a iPhone 10 like camera module on the back. So this is a 16 plus 5 megapixel camera setup. The primary camera is 16 megapixel with 1.8 aperture, and the secondary lens has a 2.2 aperture. As you can see, there's a Moto logo embedded on the back, and this also acts as a fingerprint sensor on the phone. So you get a fingerprint sensor on the back. Sorry about the video quality, it's a little dark here, but we're trying our best to keep the phone in focus. And as you can see, the design is pretty similar to many phones we have seen this year, especially with these kind of camera setups, the horizontal camera setup. On the back, at the bottom of the phone, there's the Android One branding. So this phone comes with Android One certification, which means it's built in partnership with Google. And it comes with a stock Android experience without the bloatware apps and features that Moto provides on their phone. So Android One also brings 3 years of security updates and software updates for the phone. That means you can get the latest Android versions as soon as they get out and made available for smartphones. So this phone will be getting Android 9.5 in October as promised by Moto, but currently it's running on Android 8.1 Oreo. And as you can see, the interface is completely stock. It's a stock Android phone. It has no bloatware app, no extra features, no Moto Hub or any Moto app. There's one Moto app, let's check out. It's the Moto Gestures app. It gives you the similar Moto actions that we have seen on Moto phones, like chop to turn on the flashlight and just flick your wrist to turn on the camera. So here you can see it's pretty accurate. It turns the camera when you shake your phone. Yeah. So these are the extra features that you get on the phone. Apart from this, it's a full HD 6.2 inch display. Yeah. So Karan is asking me to show the display. So Karan, here's the display. It's a 6.2 inch IPS LCD display, full HD, and as you can see, it comes with a notch on top, so it gets a 19:9 aspect ratio. Looks pretty bright right now. The brightness is around at 20%, and still it's very bright. And if we turn up it to full, as you can see, it's pretty bright, so you can, I think, easily read it under direct sunlight. And this is how the interface looks. Normal stock Android notification bar, and yes, as you can see, there's Dolby audio support for multimedia enthusiasts. You can stream HD videos on this phone because it has got wideband L1 certification, which is missing on many Xiaomi phones these days. There was a complaint on Poco F1 that phone doesn't support HD streaming on apps like Netflix and Hotstar. So this one comes with that. And the biggest highlight of the phone, which I think makes it a little different from other competitors, is its 5000 mAh battery. So the 5000 mAh battery is claimed to last for 2 continuous days. But we expect it to last around 1.5 days or more than a day easily with that backup. And it comes with a 15 watt turbo charger inside the box, which Motorola is trying to provide. So you will get fast charging on this phone. It claims to gives 6 hours of battery backup with just 15 minutes of charge. So that's another good thing. This phone is priced at 15,999, which means 16,000 rupees, and it will be available in stores on 5th of October, although you can register to buy it from starting today onwards. Rishi Sani, is it having any Gorilla Glass? So the company hasn't explicitly said that this phone comes with a Gorilla Glass protection, but we expect it to have at least Gorilla Glass 3. Processor is Snapdragon 636, which is as same as the Redmi Note 5 Pro and Zenfone Max Pro M1 and Nokia 6.1 Plus. So that's the processor. If you guys want to know more about the phone, you can check out Tech. Has a 16 plus 5 megapixel camera setup on the back and 12 megapixel camera on the front with LED flash. So you get pretty high megapixel count on the front camera. That's it about the hardware I can tell you, and about the camera performance. It can, I think it should be, let's see how it fares in the low light scenario. My hand is not very steady, but you can have a look at the camera. So we did get a shaky picture, but there's enough light in the picture and details are lost, noise is there, but it's my left hand, it's shaky. I think there's a stabilization issue in the camera, but we'll be testing it in depth when we get the device. Apart from that, I think it's a pretty decent looking device. There's nothing new in the design. It's aluminum body, which should be strong enough to hold on to a few drops until it's very extreme. So in terms of rigidity and one hand feel, it's good, but I don't think there's much in the design. It's nothing new. We have seen phones like this before also. So that's about the design, I think. Also, yeah, you get a USB Type-C port at the bottom, which is a good thing. There's no micro USB. So that's one differentiator when you compare it to Redmi Note 5 Pro, because it comes with a micro USB port, and this one also comes with a turbocharger. So that's a plus over the Redmi Note 5 Pro for now. Thank you from my side. Thanks guys for watching. We'll see you again in the next video. Bye bye.